Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I'm gonna make a new hair rinse. So I've got some bamboo from local park. I just gathered quite a few leaves and you can look around. I am sure you will find some. And what I do, you can check my video above where I was making another hair rinse. I was using comfrey, which is excellent. And what I started doing since then, it's combination of comfrey, horsetail and sage. As you can see, I've got brown hair. So if you are blonde, I would add chamomile instead of sage. But now I've seen some video where the lady was doing combination of bamboo, what else? Nettles and also rosemary. So I am doing nettles usually in spring, so this is where I change when it's everything it's new. So I'm gonna do combination of I think bamboo, then I get some nettles. If I get rosemary, I will get rosemary, but I don't have it in my garden, so I am thinking maybe I will do sage. I think I will try bamboo on its own. Apparently it's wonderful for your hair. It should get smooth and silky, so let's see. And I've been very lucky today. I find some rosemary, I've got some nettles and bamboo. After all, I'm gonna make a combination of bamboo, stinging nettles and rosemary. Exciting stuff. I am doing extra step for my hair. I'm gonna make a flaxseed gel mask. So basically I'm gonna boil some flaxseed with water. You need to make sure when it starts boiling, you need to stir it, otherwise it will stick at the bottom of your pan. And then let it cool down and then put it through cheesecloth or muslin. And I'm gonna use it before I wash my hair. I leave it there for half an hour to hour, or you can use it instead of hair gel. You can keep the rest in the fridge. It's been boiling for some time. So in a bit, I let it cool off and it will become gel-like. Here we've got the final flaxseed gel. And here I've got hair rinse. And this will go to compost heap. Here I am doing the extra step. I've got the flaxseed gel all over my hair. I am having a towel all over me just in case it will be dripping. So you can see it's sort of like that. And I put it also on my skin. So then I'm gonna wash my hair as usual, and I've got the final rinse here, and I just rinse it and let it dry naturally. And this is the final result after applying flaxseed gel, washing my hair as normal and applying bamboo, rosemary and stinging nettle hair rinse. I've done some overnight curls and yeah, I just go and enjoy my hair today. So let me know in the comments below, what are you doing for your hairs, what are your favorite recipes, and are you going to try this one? Let me know, I am curious to know. And don't forget, the state of your hair heavily depends on your diet as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, leave me some comments, share with your friends and family, spread some love and stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.